Dave Cass here with QA1, excited to show you a brand new product releasing here at the 2021 PRI show. Our Mopar line of suspension has seen a big change this year. We have come out with a brand new front and rear system for these cars, transforming your A, B, and E body car into something more like a modern driving machine. So if you're pro touring these cars, if you're taking them to the track, like the Motor State Challenge or anything that's requiring some modern driving and handling, the new systems are a great option for you. The rear kit that we're looking at is a system that is designed where you do just a little bit of welding on this upper cross member. The rest of the system bolts in. What this gives you is adjustable ride height to get that perfect stance. You get the tunability in the shocks, so you can get the right ride and performance that you're looking for. Just an overall really balanced kit. Works with your factory fuel tank and everything else that the OE system has. But this is something that will transform the rear of your Mopar. And if we take a look over here, we have some solutions to update the front of your Mopar. Now, the beautiful thing that we've done here is we've taken the Mopar platform and we can do not only a tubular option to help support the torsion bar system that you have, or if you want to go to coilover, we got you covered there as well. So the coilover system is beautiful because this allows you to get that perfect ride height you're looking for. We've started with a clean sheet design, so we've optimized the geometry to do some really cool things to bring more of that modern driving feel back to the car. But this system here, it's a direct bolt-in. It's a beautiful system for your A, B, and E body Mopar.